What if I told you that being pregnant is not a legal reason to lose your job in Jamaica? Yet many women still feel afraid to speak up when they find out they're expecting. So let's talk about it clearly. Can you be fired for being pregnant in Jamaica? And what does the law actually say? No, you cannot legally be fired just because you are pregnant. In Jamaica, pregnancy is a protected condition, and dismissing a worker simply because she is pregnant is considered unfair and discriminatory. Jamaican labor laws, including protections under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act, recognize pregnancy as not a valid reason for dismissal. Employers must act fairly, reasonably, and in good faith, and pregnancy does not remove your rights as a worker. What are some of the common ways pregnant workers are treated unfairly? While employers may not say it directly, unfair treatment can look like being suddenly let go after disclosing pregnancy, being told you're no longer a good fit, reduction in hours or pay, being forced to resign, and being denied confirmation after probation because of pregnancy. What about probation or contract workers? Being on probation does not remove your protection. If the real reason for termination is pregnancy, even during probation, the dismissal can still be challenged as unfair. Employers must prove that the termination was based on performance or genuine business reasons, not pregnancy. Pregnant workers in Jamaica are entitled to maternity leave under the Maternity Leave Act. Key points. Total maternity leave is 12 weeks. Of the 12 weeks, 8 weeks is paid at normal salary, and the remaining 4 weeks are unpaid. You can get up to 14 additional weeks unpaid for medical reasons with a doctor's certificate. In order to be eligible for maternity leave, you must 1. Have at least 52 continuous weeks or 1 year of employment with the same employer. 2. Must be 18 years old. 3. You must give at least 2 weeks notice before the expected start date. It is very important to know that paid maternity leave is not usually granted more than 3 times per employers. If you believe your pregnancy was the reason for your dismissal, 1. Write down what happened and when. 2. Keep messages, emails, and letters. 3. Get your termination letter. 4. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. You can request an investigation and file a complaint under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act. Pregnancy is not a disciplinary issue. No employer should pressure you to resign, hide your pregnancy, or choose between your job and your child. If this video helped you or someone you know, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican women know their rights at work. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.